Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about how to manifest anything overnight by using the SATS technique, and I'm going to be talking about a few things that I have not covered yet. But before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe. On this channel I talk about all things law of assumption, so if that sounds good to you, we would love to have you here. I also just want to touch on the Trova trip that will be taking place in October 2024. Now you have the chance, the opportunity to manifest with me in Costa Rica. We will be setting a manifestation intention at the very beginning of the trip, and we will be working together towards our respective goals throughout the entire course of the trip. This is a chance to not only travel a brand new country, but to manifest with me and to create long-lasting friendships. I will also be hosting a Q&A, and then at the very end of the trip, we'll be talking about our success stories. What did we manifest throughout the course of the 7 days and how we did it? And we will be coming back home not only as master manifestors, but we will be coming home with a few more friends added along the way, with people that know about the law of assumption and actively practices the law. To be a part of this amazing journey, click the very first link in the description box down below, sign up and follow the prompts. I'll see you guys in Costa Rica! Okay, so I want to preface by saying that this is how Neville taught SATS. I don't believe that all of these things are necessary. However, I do think that the things that are going to be mentioned in this video will help you aid in getting your manifestation much faster, such as visualizing in first person and believing that your desire is here now, and feeling the feelings of what it would be like to have it. Crucial to persuade yourself that you have exactly what it is that you desire. Wholeheartedly believing that the outcome of your manifestation has already transpired into reality. That is very important. So the first thing that we need to do is make sure we are crystal clear on what it is that we want. My cat has zoomies right now. Get super specific. I mean, laser focused on your desires. If you're after a dream body, picture exactly how it's gonna look. If you want a specific amount of cash, you must know the digits down to the last dollar. If you are seeking an SP, picture their face, their personality, their vibe, everything. If you are eyeing a job, imagine yourself in action. Where would you be? What would you be doing? Then ask yourself, how would it feel if you were living this life right now? I'm in the zone, bitch. I'm in the zone. Capturing the feeling is like capturing the essence of this manifestation. It is like your inner GPS guiding you to that desire. Where would your head be at if you were already that person? How would you be thinking if you were this person? How would you be acting? The thing is, this is a lot easier when you have already stepped into the state and you believe so wholeheartedly that what it is that is coming to you is already yours. So it's not like you are forcing yourself to feel it real. You are in actuality just living your natural life, knowing that, I'm a famous YouTuber, and then fully knowing and trusting that all of your inspired action is everything that a famous, successful YouTuber would do. For example, if you're manifesting a YouTube career. Paint a mental picture where you've already crushed your goals. It is like a movie scene, but one that you can feel, taste, touch, and feel as real as daylight. Okay, so what we're gonna do is get ready for bedtime a little bit earlier than your usual time. Climb into bed and just chill out. I love taking a shower, having a calming bedtime tea, and just chilling, doing whatever that makes me the happiest in bed before I actually go to bed. As you start feeling sleepy, you might feel this floaty feeling, like you're drifting off both physically and mentally. Try to keep your mind clear and don't zone out too much to the point where you fall asleep. So this is where we begin imagining a 5-second scene that implies that we have exactly what it is that we want. For example, I have changed up my little visualization from just a picture of my 1 million subscribers to me sitting right where I'm looking at on the sofa in an air-conned room, nice and peaceful, looking up at my window, seeing a palm tree, then looking down to my laptop where it says 1 million subscribers. If any thoughts pop up, just gently steer your mind back to your scene. This is such a trap, but this is where many people go wrong. So sometimes because you are visualizing, you can't fall asleep, right? That's a lie. More on that in a second. We might start telling ourselves, oh, you know, like, I can't fall asleep, I'm just wide awake. Let me just doze off a little bit and then I'll remember as I'm falling asleep and then I will start thinking of the scene. No, again, that is a trap and it is a lie from the devil. Each and every single time, that has never failed to knock me out cold and I never get anywhere with my scene. Trust me that as soon as you keep repeating your scene over and over and over again, not putting pressure on yourself and not telling yourself that it has to be perfect and vivid each time, but adding things as you go, nonchalantly, like not pressuring yourself, that is gonna knock you out because you are just repeating a scene over and over again. Trust me, no matter how much you are wanting to go to another scene or think about something else to make yourself doze off, that is all a distraction. Keep focused and do not fall for anything. Just steer your focus back onto your scene. Again, I want to make myself very clear and I really want to repeat this because it's very important for this technique that we love to call SATS. Stay focused and do not let your mind wander off track. Keep cool, stay focused on your scene, and do not let anything distract you. So start living out your scene and start doing it from your own eyes, like you're living in the action. So first person, not third person. Although I must add that I have been doing third person SATS for this entire time and it has been working. So this is not necessary, but I am verbatim doing what Neville is doing now for the one night, and I will give you guys updates, but like it's been good. So I'm not saying that you have to, but if you want to try out actually Neville's way of doing this, then just follow this for a couple of nights and see how you go. Even if it is not as clear as the room that you are currently in, do not sweat it. As I've said before, keep replaying this scene and keep adding a new detail in each time. Don't make too hard work of it. Make this fun, make this playful. Don't make yourself feel bad if you can't get it right the first time or the second or third, fourth, fifth. Guys, just have fun with it, but stay disciplined. Believe that what you are seeing is real, like it is happening right in front of you. Stay locked into this scene and forget about everything else. Eventually, you'll start to feel like you're actually there. And before you know it, you will drift off in that state. Again, I want to bring this back. If you start worrying about whether or not you are too awake, you will just stay there. You are assuming that will keep on continuing. If you're worried about something, that is exactly what you're gonna get. Law of assumption 101. If you start worrying about falling asleep or worrying about how alert you are, you'll just stay wide awake. Keep your focus on this scene and make it as lifelike as possible. If you have been repeating it in your mind and adding those juicy details in, you will wake up with a sense of completeness. This is what Neville Goddard likes to call the Sabbath state. Repeat the process the next night. If you give it your all, I mean really your all, you will wake up the next morning as though your desire is already complete. Just keep giving it your best shot. Do it every single night without fail. Be disciplined and watch how fast things begin to reshape in your world. Whoever needs to move in order to get you your manifestation will move. Whatever needs to happen to get you your manifestation will happen. Do not give up. Keep going. Stay diligent. Stay disciplined. You will literally manifest the thing that you are desiring. Take it from my experience. I have manifested 100,000 subscribers with SATS. My subscribers are growing at a rapid pace because I am now manifesting 1 million subscribers. And this technique is very scary, as I always say, because it is very powerful. If you do it in the way that I have told you right now, your desire will come the next morning. I'm so fucking sure of it. It has happened to me, again, time and time again. And with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.